In the JavaScript, we saw the different data types. There is one data type which is called Boolean. Okay, so I came to again. I recall this Boolean because revise this Boolean because in condition, Boolean operator plays the important role. Boolean means which store the value true or false, yes or no, on off. This kind of value which is stored in a Boolean data type. Okay, so generally I'm taking this in a through the W3 school portal only because I'm not going to Visual Studio Code because while typing the code and explaining the things it take a long time. Okay, so we quickly catch up the basic methods. Okay, through this W3 school. Okay, so Boolean function. So Boolean function, which is just return the true or false, or it will store the value true or false. Okay, means either the any condition which is true or false. Now here you can see uh, display the value Boolean 10 is greater than 9. Then this condition is a true. Then output is a true. As you can see here, we just say it's saying Boolean. Okay, why it's saying Boolean method here? It's saying that it return the Boolean value. It return the Boolean value. As you can see, Boolean function find out if an expression or variable is true or false. Okay, so it's a true or false. It returns the particular result. Okay, if you go here, if you check here and try it yourself, here also you can see 10 is greater than 9. Here I have used the condition operator. Here I have used the one operator greater than. So this result it will return the the output of this mathematical function which is the true. Okay, so that's why it display me the true here. Okay, so this condition we will use in our if condition or for loop or do while. Okay, we require this. Okay, and all these things, these Boolean operators are commonly used in all the programming language while checking the condition. Okay, comparisons or condition. Comparison gives you the full overview of comparison operator. Okay, and uh, condition gives you the full overview of conditional statement. Now this is the equal to. Okay, this is the equal to means it check that if I say equal to here, then what is the output? We'll see. Okay, it's a false, but I put here 10. Now it will be the but it still is run and it will be the true. Okay, you can say it, you can see here output will be the true because 10 is equal to 4. This is the equal to operator. If this is single equal to means it assign. Single equal to means it will assign. Please understand the difference between single equal to and double equal to. Okay, so single equal to means it will assign the value to particular thing, and double equal to it will compare. Okay, this equal to what is doing? This equal to assign the return output to this inner HTML. Okay, but this equal to means it will compare in the both of these and it will give the output either true or false. Okay, so that this is the purpose. Okay, difference between the double equal to and single equal to, greater than and less than. You know this greater than. The Boolean value expression is a basic for all the JavaScript comparison and condition. Everywhere, any programming language, same Boolean expressions are used. You go in any programming language. Okay, everything with value is a true. Okay, so we'll check that. So in this assignment, see Boolean 100. Okay, the result is true because see here we are not checking any condition and anything. Okay, but it will give you all the result as a true. Okay, all the result it's showing me the true because we are just saying Boolean. Okay, and it Boolean and there is no condition. So if there is no condition, it will give you the output true. Okay, it will give you the default output as true. Okay, you're getting. So here if we check that here boolean x, if I say false because false, and if I say here, yeah, if I say 12, the output it's a true. And if I say 1, try to understand, it's a true. And if I say 0, it will be false. Means what it means? So in a boolean, false will be represented by 0, okay, and true will be represented by 1. Okay, so try to understand this is 0 and 1 because 0 and 1 are the binary operators. Okay, binary operators. So 0 means false. Okay, 0 means false and true means 1. If you give any other value here other than 0 or 1, it will take it as a by default value because compiler check that if 1 means it's a true and if a 0 means it will return the false. Okay, so and if other than 0 or 1 all are true. Okay, so here see minus 0, 0 will never be minus. Okay, this statement is totally wrong, we should not check this because 0 there is no negative or positive. Okay, it's I don't know what we call the 0 exact meaning, mathematical meaning of 0 because it's at the center of the positive and negative. Okay, so boolean value of empty. Okay, boolean value of empty is false. Okay, if we check the undefined, it will return false. If only declare the variable and I say boolean x, it will say undefined. For null, it return the false value. For false, it will return the false value. If I store the false in x, boolean will return the false. If nan uh, not an number, okay, not a number is false, nan 10 divided by h, okay, it returned the false because see we are not going to do such a kind of operation, but they gave us the example, w3 shown us the example, but we never came across these scenarios. Okay, so boolean can be object. Okay, so as earlier we checked that how we can create the object in object section. So here x is a false and new boolean is equal to false, it will return the object because I have declared y as a object here. Okay, type here, here x is a false, but here this boolean value false which is stored in an object, it is stored in an object, that's why it returned the object. Okay, no need to worry about this all these details. Okay, these are the in more deep and more details. Okay, we never come across this kind of conditions of store the boolean value in an object, so no need to worry about it. So basic things is important thing is you just need to know these three things. Okay, these three things are very important. Okay, and after that not equal to, now we move into the comparison. These are about the boolean. Now the javascript comparison and logical operators. Okay, so comparison and logical operators used to test true or false. Okay, so comparison means comparison means if in means in our logic or in your, if you are taking any decision at that time, also you compare the few things. Okay, so if you have 300 rupees, okay, if you have 300 rupees and you want to buy the product of a 350 rupees and other product is of a price is through product having price 200, so your mind will decide yes, I have the budget is equal to 300. Okay, budget is equal to 300 or budget is less than equal to 3. Yes, sir, your voice is breaking. Okay, all guys having same issue, all guys having same issue. Let me check speed test. Okay, just a moment. I think I have enough speed. Okay, but still you guys having issue. Let me, voice is okay, all guys having voice issue. uh, Let me check. Is it fine now? Is it fine now? Please, can someone confirm? Is this fine now? Am I audible? Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Quickly, the comparison operator. Okay. Now here we are in a JavaScript comparison and logical operator. JavaScript comparison and logical operator. So comparison operator are used to logical statement to determine the equality or difference between the variable. Okay, so as earlier we discussed here, equal to operator. So now earlier we checked the boolean. Okay, so boolean is the outcome of the comparison operator. Boolean. Yes. Okay, why? Okay, I will breaking means any noise or anything. Mm-hmm. It's not coming echo. Okay. Okay, just to confirm, I'll speak a bit. Just a minute. We'll check here. Okay, I will speak slowly. Maybe it will avoid the mm, breaking noise. Okay, please confirm. Comparison operator. Comparison operator is used. Okay, is used. See, compare. There are comparison operator. Okay, which is used to the compare between the different values, okay, and return some output which is in the boolean form type. Okay, the what is the output from the comparison which is the boolean. Okay, what I'm saying, the output which come from the comparison which is in a boolean format. Okay, boolean means it will be either true or false. If we check here, if I go here and I say, see here, in this code, this is the header, this is the paragraph. Assign 5 to x, 5 to x, and display the value of the comparison x equal to 8. Okay, so here the comparison x equal to 8, but my x value is 5, means it will return the false. It will return the false. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. Here I have assigned the 5 to the x, and now I'm saying 5 equal to 8. No, the outcome is false. Okay, that's why it's displaying me the outcome false. But who perform this operation? This is the equal to operator is there. Okay, equal to operator which perform this is a comparison operation. Okay, so next is, now here if I check here, x is a 5 here, x is a 5 which is a number. Okay, which is number, and I compare the x5 with the string x, string 5. I compare x5 with the string 5. Okay, but it gives me the output is a true. Means what it means that I have comparing the number here. I have comparing the number here 5 with this string 5, but it gives me the uh, output as a 5. So try to understand. Means even though I give the numeric value in a string or numeric value, but it will give me the output true. The equal to value, equal to means triple equal to, it also check the type. It also check the type. Means here if I put one more equal to, will check the output. Here output is a false. What it mean that the type of x, the type of x, where I say y is equal to, I put this value in a string. Now I am saying here, what I'm saying here, here please, type of type of x. Here I put some space and I'll say type of y, some space. Okay, I'll put some space here. I'll say condition. What I do is condition output. Okay, now see here. There's some issue type of x and type of y. Condition output x equal to 5. Sorry. See, number string condition output false. Okay, so here x is a number. See, type of x is a number. Okay, see what I'm saying. Type of x is a number. See, type of y is a string. Type of y is a string, and condition output is a false. Means this three. If I say equal to, it gives me true. What it means if I use the 3 times equal to, it will check value plus it's a type. It will check value plus type. Okay. If I give only equal to, it just check the value. Okay. For that purpose, this 3 times equal to is here. Not equal to means if not equal to, this operator which is used to not means the value is not equal to. See here, now many times in condition we required this not operator. Many times in a condition we require this not operator. uh, so I'll show you not operator just a minute. See, x not equal to 8 here means the value of x is a 5 but output is a true, because the not operator what it's doing, it's saying not equal to 8. It's not equal to 8. Yes, 5 is not equal to 8, but if I will say 8 here and run this, okay, 8 but 8 here equal to, please try to understand, 8 is equal to, now see here what I'm doing, I say equal to, you will understand, it will give me output true. But if I use here not, then see the output is a false, means the outcome of this section, outcome of this section is a true. But I say this is not operator, it will convert it into the false. Same thing happening here. Here 8 equal to 8, but not operator again convert true to the false. Okay. So, okay. Now we move ahead. Now this is about the not operator. Then will greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. These are the common things. Okay, and you know this. Okay, how can it be? How can it be used? Okay, so this is a if condition. This is a if condition. If age is less than 18, then text is equal to this. Okay, so here now you are bit, you guys don't know if, and if you know the if, we'll go into the if in the condition part. Okay, so there are some logical operators. We'll discuss on it. We'll discuss on it. These are the logical operators. In logical operator, and equal to, and not. Okay. So these are the logical operator. The use of the logical operator means, okay. Now x is 6 and x is the y is 3. So x is less than 10. Yes, true. And y is greater than 1 means y is greater than 1, true, output is true. But here x is less than 10, false, y is less than 1, false, both are the false, that's why false. And you know, I will show you the what is this logical operator output. Okay, logical operator table. Okay, so there is a table. If you guys know the logical operators, now and or, okay, just a minute, let me show you logical operators. And let me show. Just a minute, guys. Uh, this is the correct thing. Okay, so here in this table you can see that how logical operators are work. Okay, so if a is a false, b is a false, this is the or operator. This is the or operator. Or one single line, standing line is a or. This is the and operator. Okay, don't think about this, consider this. Okay, not operator. If a is a false means or condition is a false. If anyone is true in this in between, then or condition is a true, but and is a false true. So you need to know this or and this is not operator. These three things are very important: or, and not. These three things are very important while learning the operators, okay, logical operators. These three things are very important. Means and is output is true. Here, I just compare this thing. Okay, here see x is less than 10, x value is 6, x is less than 10, yes, true. And y is greater than 1. Y is greater than 1? Yes. True. Okay. Yes, true. This is a true. This is true. What our table is saying. True. Yes. True. Then and operator output is a true. That's why you can see here output is a true. Okay. If I will show here, I will go here and say let me or, okay, and I change the sign less than or greater than. X value is greater than 10, false, but y is greater than 1, that one is also. Y is greater than 1 is a true, the output is a true. Okay, because here I use the or condition. If I change or to and, then see the output, it is also false because one of them is false. So these are the basic things about the operators, logical operators, and not the not operator. It just convert true to false and false to true. Okay, so this is the purpose of the operator. Now there is a ternary operator. Many times we write the if else condition. To avoid this if else condition and your code is to make the code in a single line, we use the ternary operator. So I will show you the ternary operator, how it work, how the ternary operator will work, how the ternary operator work. So in ternary operator, see here, in ternary operator, see, old enough to out. Okay, now here ternary operator, variable, here variable age. Okay, so here you see age document. I just enter the age here. Okay, it capture the value in one variable, and it's saying age is less than 18. Now here we are checking the condition less than. Okay, less than. Okay, then too young and old enough. Old enough means old enough to vote. What it return? Okay, if now see a terminal. If the result is a true, then it will give this output. If result is a false, in this condition, it will return this output. Okay, so how we'll check. Okay, see, if I say here 6, okay, see, too young, because 7, I use here 7 is less than 18, true, that's why it's saying too young. If I say 19, it will say old enough to vote. Okay, it because condition is a false here, because 19 less than 18, no, false, that's why it goes out and it will display the output here. So here we use this ternary operator. Ternary operator is represented by the condition. If you don't want to use the ternary operator, then how we will do this? If age is greater than 18, okay, if age is greater than 18, then you will say here you will say here table variable. I'll set the value and I'll say greater than 18 means old enough. I will set the variable value to old enough here. Okay, now see, and if I go here and say else, put here, and I will say too young, it will give me the output here, young. Okay, now I comment this. Now see, I need to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. But here the single line will perform the same task. So here again output is the same here. Okay, too young, too old. Okay, we'll get the output. But here what happening? We need to write a big code. But ternary operator, it will close the thing within a single line because I use the ternary operator based on the condition how it works, how what this condition, what is the output. If true, then latest result will be returned. If false, then next result will be returned. Okay, so how this the way of the ternary operator. In many cases, if your code become lengthy, to minimize the code, we use the ternary operator. So there are different comparison operators also. Here also is nan input is not a number. Okay, so is nan age means whenever you just explore this more, nan means not a number, age. If you put any age, the string, then it will say input is not a number. Or you can, it's same way it will display the output here. So here there are different kinds of comparison operators. Okay, so as we have explored the important comparison operators, as I have explained you. So these are the important comparison operators. Okay, these are the important comparison operators. Okay, and below these are the logical operators: and, or, and not, and, or, and not. Okay, so this is the things about, as we explore what is the Boolean operator, then comparison operator, and logical operator, then ternary operator. Okay, so we stop